Hello and welcome back to 50 Targeted Traffic Methods for Online Businesses. In this video, we're going to be discussing Bing, which is primarily going to be shown across the Bing and Yahoo search network, and I'll show you that in a minute. You're basically advertising using the Bing search network and MSN search network. Your ads are going to appear across both Bing and Yahoo, and because they're one, and I'll show you that in a minute. The ads are going to pretty much appear to be the same. And you might ask, well, if this is not necessarily the largest search engine, why would I spend my time advertising on Bing if I want to get traffic to my site? Wouldn't it make sense for me to really master the Google search network? And to some degree, that's true. Bing does have 16% of the market, which is sizable, and Google does not have 100%. So it might make sense to master Google while at the same time being ready to advertise on Yahoo and Bing. And as is the case with everything, if you're testing and you figure out that your advertisements play better on Yahoo and Bing, then it might make sense for you to use them. Now, as a rule, the advertisements are generally cheaper than Google. However, that is not going to always be the case. You're going to need to test the ads to make sure. Okay, so let's take a look at the Yahoo and Bing search network. Now, I did a search for model airplanes on Yahoo, and for the most part, many of the search parameters and advertisements are going to be the same as with Bing. If you'll notice here, these ads, as well as some of the articles that you are being directed to, and the advertisements on the side, and then we look at Bing, we'll see many of the same articles. We'll see at least some of the same advertisements. And the question is always going to be whether or not this is a cost-effective way to do this if you're going to do this with Google. But you are advertising in the same way as you do with Google AdWords. You're advertising for search, so you'll want to know basically what phrases people are using to search on both Bing and Yahoo, so that you can be found on those search terms that are going to be most relevant to your company. So with that, let's go back to our presentation, and I will see you in another video.